Hi, my name is Paul. Today I'm going to show you how to work with the timeline. I'm going to show you inserting media in the timeline, sections of the timeline, adding tracks in the timeline, and also scaling the track. And then the next video I'll also show you more about the timeline. Now let's begin. Now, once you import your videos, it is very easy. You can easily insert them in the timeline. You can just double click and they will be in the timeline. You can also double click this one and it will go in the timeline. I can also double click this one and all of them will be in the timeline. You can also drag and drop in the timeline like that, and that's how to insert timeline. Then there's this red aspect here. You can use it to scroll and play in the timeline. Now, how do you play? The moment you insert a video in the timeline, it will come, it will have a preview here. So for you to play, you can always click that one there, then you can easily play the video. Also, so you can also use the biggest button in your keyboard, that is the space bar, to pause and play, to pause and play. That's how to insert a media in the timeline and pause and play. Then there are different sections in the timeline here. There's this T here represent text timeline, and this one is the video timeline, and also there's the audio timeline where you can insert music and many. You can see here, if I over here, it's still me audio track. If I over the video track, and if you titles track, where you can insert title. For example, if I want to insert title, I can easily come here and insert. It will go to this timeline here, like you see. For example, if I want to add music, I can easily come here and insert in this timeline. It will go to this timeline just like that. Now, how do I add more tracks in the timeline? The next thing you're going to do, I'm going to add more tracks in the timeline. I'll just click this button here. You can see add extra track. Let's say I want to add another video track. I'll just click here and add a video track, and here it is. Let's say I want to add a text track. I'll just click here and it will add more text track here. Let's say I want to add an audio track. I'll just click here and it will add an audio track at the bottom here, just like that, so that you can add more media like that. Why do you add those track? It's very easy. For example, I've had a video track here. I can add another video. I can put my media bin here. Maybe I want to add another video on top here, so you can easily add a video on top. Let's same to audio. You can also come again here. You can add an audio. Maybe I use this music of here. I can easily pull it and add it. You can also use this one to scroll, so I can easily pull this audio and add it at the bottom here and even put it here. Text, also this text the same. I can add another text. You can easily come here under T and you can add another text. Maybe now this one I use this one here. You can see, can easily add text there. Then how do you scale your track so that you see all the things in there? There's this thing called here scaling. You can easily scale so that you can see everything in your track. You can also make it big so that it be precise when you're editing your track. That's how to start with the track. Watch my next video where I'll show you more details of how to edit in the video track in Movavi Video Editor. Make sure you subscribe to my channel.